Tools we need: V1SE, Wi-Fi version, Lightning data cable, Type-C data cable. This is an iPhone XS with disabled Face ID. The setting page displays the prompt: a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera. Face ID has been disabled. Now turn off the phone and remove the screen, battery and front camera assembly. Take out the V1SE Programmer and JCE.Matrix extension test board. Install the test board and programmer. Connect the Type-C port of the test board to power supply through the Type-C data cable. Fast charging is required. Connect V1SE Programmer USB port to the Lightning data cable for connecting the phone. Install the battery and screen and turn on the phone. Connect the phone to the V1SE Programmer. Connect the .matrix flex cable to the programmer to detect the fault, and it shows abnormal fuses. Please replace the IC. Press right button to switch to the activation interface. Press the right button again to activate. After the activation is complete, press the read button to exit. Press the on/off button to switch to the cloud backup interface. Press the read button to backup Face ID data. Backup successful. Take out the external Face ID repair flex cable. Take off the original .matrix flex cable, and install the external Face ID repair flex cable on the V1SE test board. Press the right button first. When it shows query successful, press the on/off button again to write the cloud backup data into the external Face ID repair flex cable. When it shows burning will overwrite the original data. Do you want to continue burn? Press read to ensure. Press on/off to ensure again. Take out the external Face ID repair flex cable and install it on .matrix flex cable. Turn off the phone again. Take out the screen and battery. Install the front camera assembly back into the phone, and install back the battery and screen. Turn on the phone to test Face ID function. The Face ID function now is normal.